So this is how the 30-ton log splitter arrives. Cardboard box on a pallet, and it's heavy, 258 kilos, so just be aware of that. You will need a means to get it to your property and offload it. I used a crane. Let's have a look inside and see what it looks like. Check it out. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. Guinea fowl. What?
A few moments later, mate.
There's been a bit of an interruption, so apologies. Just had a storm go through and to shift everything out of the road, but anyway, the weather came rolling in, big storm. Tried to get everything covered. Gonna have to persevere with it, see where I can get done. I kid you not. On this sheet, A, B, yep, C, yep, D, a bit messy, stepped on. So, we go through A on the other page, B bolt pack, C bolt pack. So I figured out there's D and E, and I figured out D is for here. I suspect E is for the jockey wheel. Doesn't appear to be anything new under the sun. Okay. That's what we'll do. We'll assume. Except I'm going to have to assume something else for a bit. Stand by to stand by.
A few moments later, mate.
I couldn't show this part hooking up, but basically we had to wheel this thing around. So it was sitting here, had to wheel it around, wiggle wobble it in till we could line this up, put the pin in. Now, I couldn't film it because the kids were helping. They did a great job. Boy doesn't like being on the camera, that's all. Anyway, now to put the drawbar on, we're a step closer. Okay, just got the hydraulic pump to hook up to the petrol motor, tighten up the petrol motor bolts, tighten up the wheel nuts, put the pins in them, take the wrapping off this, double check every bolt and connection. We're almost there. Now it's time to have a cuppa. Winning! You will need a means to get here and to your property.